Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a booking link to your Google business profile so customers can book appointments with you directly from Google Search or Maps. Let's get started. Step 1. First, go to business.google.com and sign in using the Google account linked to your business. Step 2. From your dashboard, select the business location you want to add the booking link to. Step 3. Now click on Edit Profile, then go to the Booking section. Step 4. Here, paste your external booking URL. This could be from platforms like Calendly, Square Appointments, Acuity, or your website's booking page. Step 5. Once the link is added, click Save. Google will review the update and it should appear within a few hours to a couple of days. Bonus tip. Make sure your booking site is mobile friendly and easy to navigate. Google prioritizes good user experiences and so do your customers. And that's how to add a booking link to your Google business page. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick business tips. See you next time!